In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Microsoft Corporation stock. We're going to discuss on Microsoft stock. And my dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously. And as a result, it gives us an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate and buy positions before an upside rally get trigger. And my dear friends, this stock was trading near to an important resistance level, and that level has also been broken out. Along with that, the stock has materialized multiple positive factors due to which we could see a massive upside blow. And my dear friends, that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before an upside rally get trigger on the stock. And dear friends, this stock was under corrections since from December 2024, and stock has spent almost 1.5 months under corrections since the beginning of December. And now we got a multiple confirmation that stock is ready for an upside move. If you'll make a closer look over here, this was a top where the corrections was started in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock was triggered with back-to-back lower lows. If you could see over here, the first lower lows hit over here, the second lower lows trigger over here, and the last lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and that's what we are looking for. We got a two major positive signal. The very first positive signal is the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, and that was an strong resistance which the stock has successfully breached the resistance on the upper end. And the second major positive signal is the lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever we see on the chart that lower lows is getting shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move, unless and until the new lower lows get triggered or stock won't give closing below the previous lower lows. We will keep the stance clear that stock is ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, now we will discuss the diversion. If you place an RSI indicator, you will be able to witness a positive diversion over here. If you'll see, you will get the lower lows over here. The price action lower lows shifted on the downside, where the RSI shifted on the upper end, and this is an area where we got a breakout, and this breakout will going to pump an upside momentum on the stock. And finally, we will discuss the fourth positive signal, and that is a chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to witness an rounding bottom pattern. Here you could see the stock had given a clear breakout of rounding bottom, and this is a neckline of the bottom. The stock has already given the neckline, and the total range of this neckline you will get with a target of approximately $470 very soon. And before this target get hit, the stock will face and rejections. The stock may face and resistance at $456. So you have to keep your mindset ready that there may be a possibility that stock can go to near to an there may be a possibility that stock may go to the resistance. It may face the resistance, and then it may came down to retest the neckline, and then again it will go towards the initial targets. So there may be a possibility that stock may come to retest the neckline. This is a neckline of the rounding bottom patterns. So if the stock face rejections near 456 and coming down, then this will be an opportunity to re-enter into the positions, to re-enter into the stock for an upside ride of another with a target of $470. And my dear friends, I also want to update you that this area of neckline will now act as a very important support, because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side. This was an area where we have witnessed the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have identified the positive diversion between the price actions and the RSI, and this was an area where we have also witnessed the rounding chart pattern breakout. So with all this positive confirmation, this area of resistance has become now an important support. So far this was an resistance, but now it has turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. And that's it for today's, my dear friends. And if you like my analysis, then please like my video and also subscribe my channel so that I can give you a more perfect analysis so that you can earn a handsome amount of profits in the stock market. Thank you, my dear friends. Bye bye, see you soon.